If you are wondering, or if you are always stressed out into how do professional traders or how do other traders out there master the art of trading a break and retest, or if you have been always stressed out or always agitated into the bizarre secrets or blue pill into how do many traders on social media, YouTube, or just that you come around, how do they show you the profits that they made whilst they trade a break and retest strategy? But on today's video, I want to sum it up and I want to clear the noise, because if you are here today, you are one of the greatest and luckiest traders and most privileged traders who will be learning how do many traders trade your break and retest, and how they make profit, and how they always secure the bag when they're trading a break and retest strategy, whether you're trading a bear one or a bullish one. But today's video, I want to show you guys how you can master the art, or how you can master the profession of trading a break and retest on today's video. But before we begin, make sure you like, make sure you share the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you share this video so other traders can also gain the knowledge that you have gained, and make sure that you sign up with the broker that we trade with and highly recommend. And you guys know it, that we're now in the prop firm space. I've signed up with Trouble Trade. I know you guys are also excited about this, and I know you guys are willing to do all that you have to do. Turbo Trade is one of the best and legit prop firms in South Africa / Africa. They have been there for quite a long time now. They have partnered with me. They have discounts, they have offers, and they have special deals for my beginner traders and intermediate traders. If you are a first-time subscriber, if you sign up for the first time with Turbo Trade, you will receive competitions, you will receive gifts, you will receive offers, and you will receive discounts on any challenge that you purchase. But without further ado, guys, let me share this wonderful gems. Let me grow your knowledge, and let me make you be one of the best traders who can trade a break and retest strategy. So you guys can clearly see the charts. Um, we understand that our structure on gold is bullish. Do you guys get that? With that being said, understanding that our structure is bullish, right? All I want to show you guys is to how you can spot a breakout, and how you can spot a retest, and how you can confirm an entry, and how you can confirm a possible continuation, right? It's only three things: how you can spot out your break and retest, how you can spot out how you can spot a breakout, how to spot a retest, and how to spot your entry confirmations, right? So let's do this for now. I will remove everything. So we understand that our structure on gold is bullish, right? Not getting it twisted. So understanding it that our structure is bullish, price has been moving inward in higher highs and in higher lows, right? This was our current higher high, right? The price is printed out on the previous week, on Thursday, right? 16th of January 2025. This was the highest point. This was a high that gold had printed out, right? So from this high, price had an impulsive push to the downside, creating this low. Do you guys get that? So we now understand that we have our higher high and we have our higher low. So in order for us to spot out a possible breakout, there were two things that we have anticipated in the COT Academy team, right? One of the first few was if we can mark out this high, this possible this current high right there. If we can spot or mark out this current high, and if we can mark out this lowest point, this higher low, we can now simply get the picture of what we can be looking at, or what we are going to be focusing on, right? So now that we have our higher high and we have our higher low, prices now in a continuation. So when I woke up on Tuesday, because this trade was took on Tuesday, when we woke up on Tuesday, we now got the picture that, okay, price at this current higher high, right? Price has this current higher high right there, and price at this current higher low. If we now want to put our money to work, right? Because I woke up usually around 5, right? So waking up, I already saw that, okay, price is now trading above our higher high, right? We created this new higher high. Now, when I told the team that, okay, guys, we can clearly see the price as a breakout and price as a close above our higher high. In order for us to put our money to work today on gold, there will be two takes that we can be willing to look at. One of the first and most important takes is obviously from every breakout, I mean, there has to be a retest and a continuation to the upside. That was my first take. The second take was, if price is in a breakout and we get a break below, we simply wait for a retest below our higher high in order for us to look for that move to the downside. You guys get that? There were now two takes that we had in our minds that, okay, if price will be bullish, can we at least get a retest and a trade above our very same higher high, creating that new higher high, new higher low, looking for those possible new highs? Or if price will break below like it broke above, can we at least get a retest below our very same zone in order for us to look for those possible reversals to the downside? Do you guys get that? So locked in. So with two takes, we now got the picture that, okay, if we now are willing to put our money to work, can we at least get what we're looking at, right? A simple breakout and a simple retest. Now that the first thing we have spotted out was our retest, was our breakout, right? The second thing that I'm gonna show you guys is a retest, right? So from this breakout, price hit the push. So from this breakout, price hit this push to the downside. So once price started pushing to the downside, we now can clearly see the price started trading below our very same higher high, right? We started trading below our very same previous higher high. Once we started trading below our previous higher high, I told the team that this candlestick, this 1300 PM candlestick, our pre-NY session candlestick, this candlestick, if it now closes bearish below our very same zone, then I can sum it up and look forward for those continuations to the downside. But if this candlestick closes above, then I'll get one of the few confirmations into a possible retest and a possible continuation to the upside, right? Let me repeat. You can clearly see that price has been starting to trade bearish and starting to trade below our previous higher high, because we now have this new higher high. We said if this current candlestick, this 1300 PM candlestick, if it trades below this very same zone and closes below, we could have had a strong bear candlestick, right? If it does close below, then we can just look for those possible moves to the downside. Or if this candlestick flips from it being bearish and flips and closes bullish above our very same zone, then we can look for those those moves to the upside. Do you guys get that? And when you look at it, guys, and when you clearly look at it, this candlestick had a bear open and a candlestick flip on our 1300 PM. Once this candlestick closed above, we now got the confirmation into saying we now have a breakout, we now have a retest, we're now looking for our entry. Our entry, once this 1400 PM candlestick had a bear open, like the 1300 PM candlestick, once this 1400 PM candlestick had a bear open, boom, trading bearish and then flipping, trading bullish above our 1300 PM that closed above our zone. That was when we were now comfortable into saying, guys, this candlestick has closed above and this candlestick has flipped from bearish to bullish. All we now can be looking for is to take our trades and let the markets play out the way we anticipated. And when you look at it, guys, and once you look at it, guys, price did as we anticipated. Price gave us a breakout, price gave us a retest, and price gave us confirmation candlesticks for a possible continuation to the upside, and price played out as we anticipated. You guys get that? So understand a few things, guys, about trading a breakout. If price doesn't confirm to you, okay, let me just say, if you don't get enough confluences based on how you trade, then don't take a trade if price is showing you a possible breakout. But if your confluences align with you the way they did with me, price at a breakout, price at a retest, and price at a trade above our very same breakout zone, and when you look at it, price played out the way we anticipated. So let me advise you guys on one thing. If you wanna master the art of trading a support, if you wanna master the art of trading a breakout, guys, there has to be 3 confluences that you have to wait for before you can confirm your entry. Spot out a breakout, 1. Spot out a retest, 2, and spot out your candlesticks or your entry confirmations or your possible continuations 3, and that's all that you have to be looking for. Apart from that, guys, then I guess you'll be looking for BS, and obviously when you look for BS, you sometimes tend to be taking L's. Do you guys get that? But this is just the blueprint that I wanted to share with you guys, how many traders confirm, how many traders excel when they're trading a breakout, whether it's a bear breakout or a bullish breakout. This is how many traders confirm a possible break and retest strategy. Like I shared on this video, guys, I hope you will take the knowledge seriously, and I hope you will take into account, and I hope you will not only take into account, but you will also, most importantly, put it into work, like I always do, like I always did, and like I always am. Do you guys get that? Without further ado, guys, thanks for watching the video. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Thanks for sharing the video. Thanks for choosing Turbo Trade. Thanks for choosing Quick Trade. And thanks for choosing COT Academy as one of the best legit Forex Institute in the world. But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem, King COT, and we're signing out.